How to turn your photo to action figure toys with ChatGPT. Here is the step by step. The first step is download the ChatGPT app. The second one, prepare your photo. The next one, prepare your prompt. And the last step, input the information and execute the prompt in ChatGPT. Here is the result of my 3D art toy. I use my dog's photo and the prompt that I created. Her name is Luna. She is so cute. I have 3 items for her. It's the ball, collar, and the bones. That is her real photo. Okay, this is my first prompt. It's very long because many details. Please replace the highlighted text with your own characters, details, and your own themes. For the rest of the text, you can copy it or copy the text under this video. Next, the second prompt is a little shorter from the first one and easier. You can replace just 2 highlighted text with your own character details and your themes. Next, my third prompt, or the last one, is a Thai version. Because I'm a Thai person, I want to share with my Thai friend how to create a 3D art toy. Replace the highlighted text with your own character details and your themes. อธิบายเป็นภาษาไทยก็คือตรงที่ไฮไลท์สีเขียวให้ใส่อธิบายคุณสมบัติคาแรคเตอร์ของตัวละครหรือว่าโมเดลของตัวเองนะคะแล้วก็ที่เหลือก็พิมพ์ตามเลยค่ะ Next I will proceed step by step. Step 1, download ChatGPT app. You can download from App Store. Then open ChatGPT. Step 2, import a photo. Click import a photo at the plus sign at the bottom and then select a photo. Then click add. Step 3, copy the prompt. And then go back to ChatGPT and then place the prompts below your photo. Then click send. And then ChatGPT will try to generate your image. Alright, it's done. My dog Luna looks so cute. And then you can download your photo.